most prolific scorer in
That's
the
right.
men's division of the volleyball tournament of the UAAP. 18 points in the last game, but it's just not enough. We talked about it briefly in the pregame. He needs a lot more help from the other Tamaraws.
Exactly, because you know what? The difference between UST and FU Labrador, although he's the highest scorer for FU, he's the middle attacker. So, pag nabantayan na si Labrador, which is the tendency, sets 2 and 3, babantayan na si Labrador, the open hitter should have a, that mentality that is going to be given to them because Labrador could serve as a decoy. So, the other players like Molate, Avila, they should really expect that balls in the second, third set will be going their way.
Let's see if FEU can execute that, as you saw De Ocampo with a nice touch on the second ball. After that wonderful serve.
That's right. He's the best out there.
Galing,
doing
ano?
that, yeah. He's a left-handed setter, has a good vision to know where that ball's going to land.
Tip just out of bounds from FEU as USD has changed setters, and they're changing it again as Ukang returns to the floor for the Tigers. Pecaña also back. So Coach Lontok reaching deep into his bench and are looking for
very early
a better combination because they have been outplayed after a good start in set number 1.
And these situational substitutions, you really want to maximize your front row. Ukang now in the back row. Now you see Coach Emil has 3 attackers in the front.
Torres, once he gets it going, and his confidence is high, it's difficult to stop him.
This is a strong front row for UST. You've got Torres, Ramos, and Pecaña. So they gotta make full use of this strong front line.
Good block on the push by Molate. There's a check, apparently, but no, says our first referee. It is UST point. Timeout by Coach Pascua of FEU. They are still up by 2. Let's listen in.
Pagdating ng 15, inisayo natin kahapon, pag nag-service tayo ng out o not over, automatic, nagiging 3 puntos sa kanila. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, avoid yung ganyang sitwasyon. Ngayon, kanina sayang yung pestong yun. Di ba? Dan, pulso yung kamay. Pag binigay ng alangan, gawa mo ng parang hindi pa pwede itatapon natin. Side out ang boys, manalo na tayo. Matuto tayo kumapit. Yun ang witness natin. Kung na-overcome natin yan, manalo tayo.
We were talking to the FEU Athletics Director, Mark Molina, earlier. Very confident that there will be a Game 3.
There's going to be another one, folks, according to Mark.
There's the pep squad of the Tamaraws and Coach Pascua. He knows very well yung rhythm ng laban na to. No? Sabi niya, pag nakamiss tayo ng serve, automatic 3 straight points para sa UST. Alam niya na, no? Yung sequence, yung flow ng games. Molate attacking again. Great pancake save from Ukang. But Torres too far from the net. That is not his specialty.
That's right. If it's that far away from the net, you gotta sacrifice some power. You have to be content to just send that ball safely over. Go with a percentage play.
Pero the problem with that, I'm pretty sure, is the fact that pag pinalo mo lang yun, medyo parang free ball na lang yun.
But still, you've got a strong blocking front line, so you gotta rely on that.
Asahan mo lang. Speaking of blocking, Torres is blocked at the net. Pecaña. The tip. De Ocampo, one of the best setters in the league. And Molate has picked up the slack for Labrador. Ian.
Great play from Molate and great timeout by Coach George Pascua. He knows the rhythm of the boys, like what you said. So alam niya what the groove is for his boys of FEU. So he wanted to call that timeout, get out of that slump, get out of that mindset, and score more points. And they've done it.
Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng FEU. Torres, middle hitter this time. Yes.
I appreciate that play from Ukang. Change it up. JP Torres, not really a middle attacker. That surprised the FEU defense. Everyone's looking, why did JP go in for a quick?
A tit-for-tat attack between FEU and UST here. De Ocampo. Oh, Molate rejected by Torres that time. The Loiras keeps it alive. Free ball for FEU. Solid 3-man block at the net by UST. This is basically an easy over. Ilano. Every shot gets the crowd excited here at the arena. Pecaña. Oh, what a play from Pecaña.
Pecaña just bounces out of nowhere. He was just standing up there and suddenly he decides I'm gonna hit it.
Parang galing sa trampoline, ano?
Parang nga sa trampoline eh.
Now, after being down by 4, dalawa na lang
2
ang kalamangan ng FEU. Oh, Torres all alone with a block against Tonkin.
He's just so big on the block. JP Torres. You see his hands just wrap around that ball. That ball wasn't going anywhere.
Parang golf ball ang dating.
Parang ganun na lang ang liit ng bola pag napayungan ni JP. So Tonkin, he has to adjust. Find ways to get it around the block of Torres.
And that time around, Molate trying something different, went over the block, and we are tied at 19 all. 4 straight points, Ian, by UST this time.
See, you've got a strong blocking front line for UST, and you can rely on that. So don't have to be too risky on your offense.
Both teams with their own respective runs here. Ilano keeping it alive. Torres chasing after it. Just right on the line. JP Torres, what a play.
Wow, I thought that ball was sailing outside. It looked long, but, you know, the linesmen were there.
Instant replay. And it does catch a line. Brought to you by Shakey's. Shakey's, it's fun family pizza. Great shot
There you go.
by our director, Abet Ramos. Molate has been checked. Ooh, nice play. Pecaña keeping it alive right behind the first referee when he hit that ball. But not the second time, says Molate. You can block me once.
Not a second time. Molate with a combination play. The first one was a bit high. The second one a bit faster, a bit lower. He got that point.
20 all, another deadlock in set number 1. Very tight.
Very tight, very tight.
Tonkin again. A nice play by Tonkin after the serve. Getting back straight on defense. Tonkin again, keeping it alive. Molate. Block.
They almost did that.
2 players from FEU on the floor, and the ball was almost sent back by the Tamaraos. Take another look here. Tonkin, excellent job.
Yeah. Good defense by Tonkin.
Here comes the block by UST, but take a look here. 1 save, second save. If not for Avila in the middle of the pack, that ball could have been sent back by
By
Tonkin.
Molate or Tonkin, yeah, you're right.
UST up by 1, 21-20. Subiere is serving for UST. Ooh, Molate.
This guy is just explosive. He was faking that he was going to go to the middle. Suddenly, that stutter step brought him to that running spike to the back.
17 points in game 1 for Molate, just second to Labrador. 21 all, set number 1. Everybody got fooled by the Ilano decoy.
That's right.
Depante all alone for the kill. Take a look.
Ilano, pick up the blockers. Oops, it's going not going to Depante. Nice play from Keroka.
Na peke, ano?
That was a good stroke there from Depante.
Nice serve. Pecaña. Avila. Blocked.
Oh, why did they pick it up?
Avila tries again.
That was what he wanted to do in that first attempt.
Take a look. Smart play.
Nice play from Avila.
Kita niya sarado na yung cross, ano? So he went down the line and off the blockers. De Calzada.
De Calzada coming in. Normally, it's De Calzada who starts off. He's the first 6, but change up by Coach George Pasco for this match. De Pamailo started this match. Let's see if this can, bring good play out of De La Calzada.
Depante. Off the blockers. De Ocampo looking for the tip. Blocked by Depante. Depante. The tip.
John Depante!
FEU scattered around the perimeter of the court because they know Depante as a strong hitter, but he changes it up, sends it to the middle, butas na butas. Yung depensa ng FEU.
Nice drop there from Depante.
Both teams in set number 1 sending it down the wire. 23-22. just out by a hair from Milano.
Wow,
23 all, Doc.
That's right. Harvey Ilano with that big error on the serve. That really hurts. And I saw Coach Emil just, look back in frustration.
Oh! Depante brushing it off the block of Del Campo. Point UST. This is set point 24-23. It's another tall front line for UST. Torres is back in. But George Pascua wants to talk things over. Let's listen to FEU.
Ang kulang lang sa atin, yung aggressiveness mo sa bola. Di ba? Pag pumalo ang kalaban, i-cover natin, hindi pa tapos di ba? So hindi kasalanan ng spiker yung kumablock. Nasa ating mga coverage. Ngayon kung nakuha ng coverage, para ma-atake natin, kailangan reset ng center. Ikaw na, Petros, tumingin ka muna sa spike o sa blockers. Kung nasaan yung malaki, huwag ka magpebalik. Kagaya nun si Torres, nasa harapan, binigay mo lang ng tayo sa kanya. Hindi pinarani mo lang para gumagalaw, di ba? Kumalap ko kung saan tayo pumaporseto, kung saan tayo pumapatay ng bola. Hindi yung magandang play. Importante, pumusok tayo kahit basic lang.
Coach Pascua just setting it right, no?
Yeah.
Para kay, especially for De Ocampo, no? Kahit na hindi maganda yung play, basta porsyento lang, mas higher yung percentage na makascore, doon
Yeah.
tayo kahit sobrang basic.
That's right. And another thing with that timeout is they want to ice Depante, who's about to serve.
John Depante serving for the
Let's see if that has any effect on this young man, Salvador Juan Depante III. De Ocampo. They get a point and we're tied 24 all.
Avila with a good attack. And he saw that it was Kerr Okang who was there up for the block. And that's what Coach George Pascua told him. Look for the blockers. Look at your blockers. Piliin mo kung saan yung mas maliit na blocker. And that's exactly what he did.
Ramos. Block on the De Ocampo attack. Torres. De Ocampo sends it to the other side. Molate, that's too wide. Point USD, and they are again at set point.
See, look at Coach George Pascua tell Molate, you gotta go down the line where Okang was. Why go cross court when you've got Ramos and Torres? Yeah.
USD is serving. They're at set point, but FEU is on the attack. Now USD looking to close it out. Torres. Too wide.
That wasn't even close for JP Torres.
For those of you who stayed home this Saturday afternoon, sulit na sulit. Yung nakikita nyo ngayon.
25 all.
25 all. Set
First
number
set.
1 pa na tayo, ladies and gentlemen. So, expect a long one. Grab your popcorn, your soda, and relax.
Right. Don't answer your phone.
De Ocampo, a candidate for best setter in the men's division. Oh, poor reception from Doloiras. Just an easy over para sa USD.
This time, Molate doing the smart thing and trying to set it up out of the blocker.
So after 2 set points for USD, they lose that, and FEU has set point this time. Let's listen to USD.
Timing, bakit bola? Timingin mo, lakan mo, huwag mo awampasin yung bola. Hawakan mo. Huwag pa ganyan, iba yan dyan sa ganyan. Para hindi niya makabig. Ha? Okay, nakita mo. Eto na sinasabi ko sa'yo. Yung spiker, sa'yo, set point natin. Papaluin mo lang. Tingnan mo na ba't lumalayo ka. Lapitan mo, wala namang net. Lapitan mo, paluin mo. Sige.
It is Coach Lontok's turn to be on the edge because FEU is 1 point away
That's
from
right.
securing set number 1 after USD blew their chances twice to
already.
close out set 1.
And you've got an excellent server in Petrus, De Ocampo.
Are you looking at an ace here?
He's gonna definitely try and do that.
So kakargahan yan, malamang.
Kakargahan na yan.
USD,
See,
poor
good
reception. Basically a free ball here for FEU. Here we go. FEU looking to close it out. They can. He's outside. Oh, but the coaching staff are adamant na may touchdown or may check sa net. And Molate also is asking for one. Let's take a look.
Let's see what happens if there's a touch. Wow, very tough ball
very close.
from that angle. And Coach George Pascua up on his feet.
But nevertheless, the officials call stand 26-all. Set 1.
And
De
that-
Ocampo.
That happened right in front of the first referee. So hard to argue with that.
He has the better view. Again, FEU is at set point. Net violation by Pecania. It's Tonkin who rattled off a series of
Seven
serves.
7-8 serves. This guy is a good server. Probably the best that FEU has.
Let's see if they can... Oh, another over-receive. Oh, but Ilano and Ukang did a wonderful job on the over-receive by Ramos. Did you see Ukang bring that ball back?
Back from this angle where we're seated from, Taba was clearly...
Sa kabila na, no?
But, you know, this setter Okang just amazes me right now. That point should have been credited to Okang.
Oh, for sure. 27-all. Torres is serving.
Oh, straight to Pecania.
Pecania is back. Good throw defense by UST. Depante on the other side. Yes, from Depante.
Wow, this young player, this sophomore Depante, is playing like he's been playing for 10 years here anyway.
That's true.
Magulang, in other words. Those are veteran plays he's pulling off against the excellent blocking of
For the
FEU.
set.
I don't know how he does it, but he finds a way.
Third set point for Torres and the Tigers. FEU on the attack, looking for the equalizer. UST scoring on the block.
Who blocks it? Depante. Wow.
And look at the crowd rejoice. It deserves another look. Depante at the net. Just when everything seemed too tight
Yeah.
for a mistake like that, UST comes up big at the net, Ian.
That's right. Great play from Depante gave him the Tigers in the first half.
29-27, USD takes set number 1 in game 2 of this best of 3.